admire Parineeti Chopra's elegant and timeless style? Or are you more drawn by Kiara Advani's fresh and natural look? Whatever your preference, we've got the ideal bridal makeup inspiration for you. Hi guys, मैं हूँ सानिया और आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ celebrity inspired minimal bridal makeup look that's perfect for those who love minimalism and elegance on their big day. But before we begin, you know the drill. Subscribe to Be Beautiful and ring the bell icon to stay updated. Okay, तो सबसे पहले मैं यूज करूंगी एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट जो एक मेकअप बेस और एक हाइलाइटर लाइक ग्लो देता है. It's the Lakme Absolute Glow Primer. इस प्राइमर में है luminescent pearls that can provide a subtle yet stunning radiance to your skin. साथ ही ये प्राइमर lightweight है with sheer texture, which means ये आसानी से blend होता है into the skin, making your makeup look more natural and last longer. Next, मैं Lakme Absolute Luminous Skin Tint Foundation का इस्तेमाल करूंगी. ये lightweight long stay foundation को पहले मैं foundation brush से लगाऊंगी and then will pat it with a beauty sponge for a natural seamless finish look. And the best part, it leaves your skin with this stunning luminous tint-like finish, giving you that natural lit from within radiance. फिर मैं अपने imperfections को conceal करूंगी using the Lakme Absolute Instant Airbrush Concealer Pen. With just a few twists, the lightweight formula glides on smoothly, providing excellent coverage and a radiant airbrushed look. Time to set the base, जिसके लिए मैं यूज करूंगी the Lakme Absolute Loose Finishing Powder. ये एक बहुत ही लंबे समय तक टिकने वाला पाउडर है जो बेस को अच्छे से लॉक करके उसे मैट बनाता है. For the eyes, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ, it's quite simple. इसे अचीव करने के लिए सबसे पहले prep the eyelids with concealer and then loose powder. इसके बाद मैं आई लुक के लिए आज यूज कर रही हूँ the Lakme Absolute Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Smoking Glam. पहले हम लगाएंगे एक ट्रांजिशन कलर right above the crease area. फिर मैं ये डार्क ब्राउन शेड इस्तेमाल करूँगी all over my eyelids. Then, using the Lakme Absolute Explore Eye Paint in the shade Champagne Rain, I'll apply it to the center of the eyelids. This eye paint is crease resistant and its smooth, creamy texture ensures easy application. फिर मैं लोअर वाटर लाइन को रिम करूंगी using the Lakme Iconic Kajal in Classic Brown. Now with the help of the Lakme Iconic Pro Brush Liner, I'll line the eyes. इसका brush tip काफी precise है, making the application super easy. The color payoff is intense and it's flake proof for up to 36 hours. इस आई लुक को मैं कंप्लीट करूंगी with the Lakme Iconic Volume Mascara in Deep Black. Make sure कि आप wiggle and swipe technique यूज करें. Mascara instantly volumizes your lashes for iconic eyes. Parineeti's face had a subtle charm with just a hint of blush, for which मैं ये newly launched product यूज करने वाली हूँ, which is the Lakme Absolute Sheer Velvet Matte Cheek Mousse Blush in Nude Nectar. This blush is lightweight and has buildable formula that blends seamlessly, delivering a sheer flushed cheek look. For the lips, मैं opt करूँगी from the Lakme Glitterati Collection Shine Lipstick in the shade Pink Dream. इसका rich and intense formula बहुत ही आसानी से glide होता है and stays put on the lips for a long time. Finally, मैं यूज करने वाली हूँ the Lakme Absolute Made to Last Setting Spray to lock my makeup look. This setting spray is non-sticky and lightweight, ensuring that my makeup stays in place for an extended period of time. मुझे उम्मीद है आपको ये celebrity inspired minimal bridal makeup look पसंद आया. If you want to purchase any of the products in the video, check out the description box below. Before I go, like and share this video, subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and hit the notification bell for further updates. Bye!